Hey everyone, welcome to this tech video. Today I'm going to be unveiling another wonderful tech tutorial on how to secure your Facebook account. So today we will be discussing about how you can enable 2FA on your Facebook account. So what is 2FA? Many people do get it confused when they hear about 2FA. They say, what does 2FA means? Now today I'm going to be explaining in details. 2FA means two-factor authentication. As you can see on the screen, 2FA, this is 2FA. It means two-factor authentication. You can enable 2FA in your Facebook account. 2FA is a kind of, an additional security to help you secure and protect your Facebook account from hackers or spammers. Many people do message me, do come to my DM to tell me, my Facebook account has been hacked. Somebody is using my Facebook account to commit fraud. A lot of people do message me. I do not know how someone gained access to my Facebook account. Somebody changed the profile picture of my Facebook account. Somebody is using my Facebook account to commit fraud. Somebody has hacked through my Facebook account. So that's the reason why I am doing this tech video tutorial, and to guide you on how you can secure your Facebook account from unauthorized persons to gain access to your Facebook account or profile, or to be able to use and also to deter people not to be able to use your Facebook account to commit fraud or to commit scam. So 2FA is an additional security, just as we have explained, to protect and secure your Facebook account from unauthorized person to gain access to your Facebook account without your permission. So now I will be showing you the step-by-step on how you can get that fixed. Now what you're going to do, log into your Facebook account. Now I'll be logging into my Facebook account now and be showing you the steps and the procedures to follow in order to enable and to protect your Facebook account by enabling 2FA. Now I'm logging into facebook.com. Now we are on Facebook. Now this is the Facebook website, and I have this as you can see on screen, this is my dashboard. This is my Facebook account. Now I'll be showing you the step and process to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account to secure and protect your Facebook account from being hacked by unauthorized persons. Now, once you get to your Facebook account, just navigate your mouse to where you see your profile picture. That is your profile, or it is called your account. That is where you can locate your account. So once you click on your account, there will be a menu that will pop up. As you can see, this menu, this has to do with everything about the settings of your account. So you see settings and privacy. So I'm going to be clicking on settings and privacy. Okay, now let's click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you are going to be selecting settings. Then let's click on settings now. Let's allow it to load. Okay, now it has loaded. Now you can now scroll down. You look at the left hand corner of the screen, you see what you have mapper. Now you see password and security. Immediately you click on settings and privacy and security, it will take you to password and security. So we'll be clicking on password and security. So under password and security, you will now see your account, your profile, your account settings. Under account settings, this is the account setting. Under your account settings, so you will see password and security again. You're going to be clicking for the second time, password and security. Then you now see your password and security page. Now you see change password, two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an additional security to protect and to deter unauthorized persons not to be able to hack through your Facebook account. So I will be clicking on two-factor authentication. Now it will ask you to select your profile. Now this is my profile, Aminu, as my Facebook account profile. I will select my profile. Then it will now take you to a page to set your 2FA, two-factor authentication. Now you can use any of the following method to set it. You can either use the text message options. Now I will explain. The text message option means if you are using the text message option, it means if anybody tries to gain access to your Facebook, Facebook is going to, maybe an unauthorized person or suspicious character try to gain access to your Facebook. Facebook will send you a code, a text message that to verify if you are the one that is trying to gain access to your Facebook. So if you are not the one, you will easily be notified that somebody is trying to gain access. And without that code that Facebook will send to your phone number, your registered phone number you register with Facebook, that person cannot be able to gain access to your Facebook account. Then this other option is additional method. This additional method, you can use your phone. That is, when somebody try to gain, or when somebody try to log in your Facebook in another device or in another smartphone or in another PC, Facebook will send a message to your phone that you have to click on yes before that person can gain access. But most times, why I prefer using the text message option is, if, for example, you misplace your phone, that then you now peradventure get access to another phone. Before you can log into your Facebook account, it will now be asking you for the previous phone to enable yes. So that's why it is better to use this text message option, so that even if your phone is stolen, you can still get access to your phone, your mobile number. So Facebook is going to send a text message to your number to verify that somebody is trying to access your account. So that it is called a kind of a one-time password, an authentication password. So once you enter that password, without that password, that person will not be able to gain access to your account. So now we're clicking on text message option. There, once you click on the text message option, you're going to, like now I already enabled my 2FA on my account. That's why you are seeing my phone number there. But if in case you have not enabled it before on your account, you're going to click on it. Will ask you to enter a number that they will be sending that code to for verification and for notification. So you can use, if I remember I want to change the number to another number, now I can just say use a different phone number. You get it? Then you supply the phone number. You supply the phone number. Let's say 080 90111. Let's assume this is my phone number. Then you click on next. Immediately you click on next, Facebook will send you a one-time password to that number to verify that that's the number you want to use for your 2FA, two-factor authentication. Once they will send the code to the number. Then then you click on next, it will show you a page for you to enter the code to set your two-factor authentication on your account. Once you enter that code, automatically you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So it will be very hard and difficult for any hackers or any unauthorized person to just barge into your account or to be using your account to commit fraudulent activities or to hack into your Facebook account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs, do like, subscribe and share, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel as well. I hope you had and enjoy this video. Hope you had a wonderful tech journey.